So serious. You ready to go wheeling trip? Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Are you gonna put it in 4 low yet? What do you think? No? Yeah. Too easy. Lake County's High Valley Trail is rated as easy. However, as you will see, there are some tougher obstacles and exploration off the main trail. We all know that it can be a lot of fun just getting lost in the backcountry. I think we'll go this way.
Right-hand turn, that's 4.
Moving through the peaks and valleys, there definitely was a variety in terrain and of course the weather. I always appreciate the clouds after my experience shown in the Nordoff Peaks videos. Be sure to check those videos out in the description below.
Alright, yeah, I think that ends. Fuck this. This looks like fun.
Look at that Rubicon Flex. Go for it.
Right this way.
Apparently spotting on a steep hill while filming was too much to ask for.
Come back down.
But hey, I still got most of the shot. But let's see if the second time I have any better luck shooting. Guess not.
Nice. It's easier with 4, huh? The left's gonna be a little bit easier. I might actually high center on this.
Okay, but you can tell me, right? Yeah, I think that's why they put hooks on these things.
High centered. Okay, go. Gosh, it doesn't look like I'm that far off. The dog jumped in my lap. Well, let's check the undercarriage, make sure I didn't break anything.
Looks like the pin stayed.
Our Tahoe trip is what Meredith's inside joke is referring to. Link down below.
Yeah, it started hitting yours pretty good too. Stop! You have to put the pin in the hit.
And of course, the comedy of errors continues.
I have these hooks! Use the fucking hooks! Oh, you're good boy, you're good. Right? Oh, damn, look at that divot.
I'm not, but which one do you have though? Is it a mini one or the...
Now I get to feel how dust tastes. I get to taste it.
Kind of like that expensive toothpaste with the grit in it.
I was happy to see that there were plenty of dispersed campsites to be discovered and enjoyed.
Now we're going to make a loop down the trail bit with a metal something on the right hand side.
Well, looks like we're gonna do some tree pulling again, or let's, yeah, I'm stopping here.
Unfortunately, so much of California has been ravaged by fires over the years that almost every trail in the backcountry has been scarred. Deadfall is now commonplace, and we have a number of videos of us clearing trails. Again, see yet another link below. Ultimately, we did have to turn around and try to find another route.
Well, that doesn't bode well. We haven't gone too far, have we? That's what I like to hear. Nope.
Up. I was like, oh shit. Just pull him right through. Yeah.
Another deadfall dead end, but hey, we'll use that as a good excuse for a lunch break.
Try so
Oh, buddy. I know.
You love me.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did try to eat my dog last
Get to the chopper!
Boom. Yes, I'm sure. Gotta get the footage, man.
Well, yeah, it's looking relatively clear. Way to go, Clear Lake.
Don't let it fool you. I was there yesterday and it was pretty deep.
After finishing up the High Valley Trail, we took photos and drone shots of Clear Lake, which strangely was looking very clear and blue. The last part of our trip was a quick detour to Pinnacle Rock.
Hiking up to Pinnacle Rock.
This is great.
Wow.
I later found out Pinnacle Rock was a site for a fire lookout tower. Unfortunately, no one knows when the tower was taken down, but we do know it was operational through World War II.
What's up, Jen? What's up, Marty? Alright, now with proper sound. Yeah, Meredith. Look at that dog. What's up, Dustin?
Yo!
Not a bad view, huh?
Killer.
Video.
Hey.
How you doing?
Trip.
If you have any knowledge on this former tower, please comment below. I really love these lookouts, and many of them are featured in a playlist below if they're of interest. We made the best of it with this little trail, and I recommend you give it a try for a day trip or even camping. We had a great time, and if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give us a like and hit that subscribe button while you're at it. Google's algorithms love videos with comments, so if you have anything to say, YouTube and I would love to hear from you. Lastly, don't forget to view the reference videos in the links below, and just really wanted to thank you for the support of my hobby. Thanks.